Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live.
Their escape from slavery. For instance, I said, come here, mean come here. Go away, mean go away. Walk, mean what's happening. The only reason why you guys can't understand is because we speak fast. If we speak slowly, you will understand. Because in our home, all our parents talk to us is in Patois. And when we go to school, we learn English. So Patois is a dialect. And if you notice, Bob Marley sing a song, say as long as you're black man, you're African, right? Yeah. And the reason why I said that, you know, this is how you guys get to the United States of America. You guys were filtered in the triangle slave trade, and some of you guys were...
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, this is where you're going to sanitize your hand and wash your hand.
won't stop.
To trial, right? And when we get to trial, you're gonna notice that the trees grow over the street. Reason for that, back in the days of slavery, this area used to be a sugarcane plantation, right? Sugarcane on the left and sugarcane on the right. So what the Bucky Master, when I say Bucky Master, I mean the slave master, they would let the slaves plant the tree and they shelter the sun and watch the slaves working on the sugarcane plantation. So take a look now. See to your left right here, it's a golf course, it's a professional golf course, it's known as trial. See you have, used to be sugarcane on the left and sugarcane on the right. But if you notice, the trees grow over the road. So the slave masters let the slaves plant the tree. They sit down and shelter the sun and watch the slaves working on the sugarcane plantation. When we reach further down, I'm going to show, it's a no-stop zone, but I'm going to slow down. You'll see a water wheel from back in the days of slavery that they used for the sugar mill. But have you ever heard about Jack Nicholson?
Yes.
He won the Johnny Walker World Tournament years ago right here. This is where they kept it. A lot of rich people, millionaires, they own villas over here. Lennox Lewis, the boxer, he has the biggest house over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and you know Ralph Lauren that makes polo t-shirt?
Oh yeah, I got it with all the time, yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show his house.
Oh.
He has a house here. He lives here majority of the time. You know, so I'm gonna show his house, okay? Grand Palladium in Point, Hanover, and the closest town to your hotel is Lucy. Okay, so as soon as we get on to Great River, it's going to be 7 rivers meet, and the river you're going up today to, it comes out here too. Oh. So it's 7 rivers meet and go out into the ocean, so they call it Great River. So the bridge is the border between 2 parishes. So see the sign say welcome to St. James. Yeah. So we're going over, see Great River. Oh, okay. This is Great River. And this is the bridge, right, and you're going to be rafting way up in the mountain, but, but the river goes out into the ocean. 7 rivers meet and go out into the ocean.
Don't think they're early, as you can know. A banana plant takes 9 months to grow up and sends out a bunch. After 9 months, it takes 3 more months, then it's ready to eat. So it only takes 1 year. See that thing that hold a bunch of banana up?
Yes.
Call it the spinal cord. We used to make little gans, the pantyhose, nylon stocking, extension here made from that box.
Oh.
The outside part of the banana plant, we used to make like cardboard boxes. All the cardboard boxes made from that part of it. So every part of the banana plant is useful. When that produces a bunch of banana and you cut away the bunch, that tree is died. Then you send another plant from the root, it replants by
It's
itself.
restart. Okay.
Yeah, so when it send the bunch, we cut it down and then we use the outer part of it. So I'm gonna pick some plants now and come back. So in the meanwhile, don't feel like tourists. I'm just gonna come in a swimsuit. More I get to look kind of comfortable because I'm not touring no tourists today. So if you feel like, I'm gonna dip the both of them underneath the water and we're gonna come back dry.
Okay.
Look at this now. See that? And it's still dry.
Wow, it just run right out.
Right out.
They call elephant ear.
And they're from the same leaf. Look at this now.
That's what I was telling him about.
Look, it's
look
dry.
at
When
this
you put
now.
it in the water, look,
Still
it's still
dry.
dry.
See that? Look. I'm gonna
That's
show you
what he
something.
called the elephant ear?
And look,
Yeah.
look how clear the water is. Look at it. So the water look
I have
crystal
it in my
clear.
house.
You want to see crystal clear? Look at this one. See that? Silver bottom. I'm treating with it for prostate cancer.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Any form of bad sinus, just take it away.
Yeah, I like to
Show you
advanced
something.
sinus? You need this.
Yeah, sinus. This make every cold run from your nose. Run right out. Look at this now.
Did they have the little
This
shot?
name Guinea.
Yeah.
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 How much you flash around?
Yeah man, get a flask around man. You got a flask man. Beat it up. Alright, I want you to smell this. It's gonna kick you like a Vicks though.
Oh, I like Vicks.
Yeah, you like Vicks? Here you go deeper.
What my friend, she said it's some type of seasoning.
Yeah.
So
And they use it to make tea.
I guess so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just dry it up. Just dry it right up. It releases the nostril right away.
Oh,
Any cold, any sinus, it kick it away.
let me see. Kiki.
Yeah man, he's gonna give you one right there.
Oh, okay. He got it. He got it.
That's Guinean. Any prostate cancer, any sinus, that kick it away.
Sea moss. You ever heard that?
Yeah, we know sea moss. It's kicking out the place now. Everybody asking for it. Read about this one in World War II when the soldiers they run out of IV. That's what they use for IV. The water from the jelly coconut. And that's the one they sing about coconut and lime. Put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. That's the same one.
Y'all have a lot of poison ivy out here?
No poison either. We don't have nothing poison around here. The only thing body around here is mosquito and ants.
Okay.
Yeah. Now what is this? It's bamboo. You know what we're gonna make with it? Straw. Bamboo straw. Drink your coconut.
Oh, wow.
You get everything natural today.
Yeah, the water does feel good.
It's nice man. Put it in the water man. It's good for the body, good for the.
Hey, are they going to do that pedicure thing?
Yeah man.
Yeah, it's coming.
You don't see this
Hey,
stone
I'm
here.
rushing it.
Who wearing tattoo? Alright. You see all the tattoo on your feet here? You're gonna have to pay me for that tattoo because I'm gonna make it look back brand new from the stone. This remove any dead skin. You know people who shave and they leave that dark spot? Just remove it. Let me show you something about it. And we dig it from the river. You have to dig the river to find it. Look at this. Look at what we do.
Yeah, I
We
saw
rub it
it.
together like this.
Yeah. The trunk of white.
Then they make that cream. Any mosquito bite, any form of itching, any eczema. Look at my hand first. Let me show you something. So the water come off. I'm gonna show you something now. When I use it on face, it pull out the juice from the pimples. So when I wash the face off later, when I touch in the face, they don't even feel it. Like a baby butt. You're gonna see my hand now. I don't need a towel after this. The water comes off like silk.
That's some good lotion. Y'all got that in the bottle?
Yeah, they use this now to put in Colgate toothpaste to kill bacteria.
Really?
So this can use on any part of your body. See that? Not even silk. Look at that. Like a baby.
Yeah, look.
It removes every grease, every oil from the skin. That's what it does. And we also use it to do like pedicure. Remove the dead skin out the bottom of the feet.
Yeah.
It's not rough like pumice stone.
Yeah.
Don't worry, man. I'm telling you, no spoil.
You got us.
Yeah, I
We got
know.
you, man. From when you're going back, I know it's going back to the cold time. back home now. What I want you to do when you go back to when you leave in Jamaica, get this big bottle to take home. Look at the sign, JB, stand for Jamaica Best.
Oh, okay.
When you were kids, I was coming from school. Put this one on here. And rain fall on us. And mommy think you're gonna have a little flu or sinus or cold. Look what you do. Open your hand for a minute. This is also a medicine to the body. All of our ancestors, this is what they used to make. Close your hand. Close them up. Close them up. Go like this now. Let the juice runs out. Then put it over your nose and inhale. And just keep inhaling. If anything down inside of you, you're gonna cough. Keep inhaling. Take deep breath, like put it up close to your nose and you see that anything inside it brings it right up. It's just like this plant right here. The Guinean. When we were kids, our grandfather used to put a little in the cork and give us the drink. To kill any bad worm inside of you. You know something you don't want to eat.
Oh,
You need to clean
wow.
out. Just a little sip of this. Clean you out. And it's not like you're going to give you diarrhea or anything. No. It free you up. It make your blood circulate better.
You see that?
Yeah. So what we do,
Y'all can go to sleep
yeah, even though
when y'all were kids.
You did?
Yeah, so you go to sleep.
what most people
What
do
you
is they
do?
use it and rub it over your
Y'all
face.
some liquor so y'all can sleep. Yes.
Yeah.
Y'all hear that?
No, I'm just saying,
absolutely loved at their birthday? Now, we're going to sing happy birthday to you guys. And we hope that you enjoy it, alright?